Hi everyone, it's Adam here at Stretch Your English. I'm here to share ideas and resources for teachers of English to speakers of other languages. In this video, I'll be sharing an interactive lesson activity called Name 10. It's simply a topic generator for a quick vocabulary listing game, and it's something which I'm sure many ESL teachers have used before. I know I've played a game like this before with teenage learners, especially younger teens. But it might also be something which is fun for adults as well. And this particular version of the game is made using Genially. So as usual, if you look in the description below this video here on YouTube, you can see a link to the resource. And after this quick tutorial, when you click that link, the activity will open in your browser. So here we have it, Name 10 with 3 levels. Let's start with level 1. Okay, so you can say to your students, can you name 10 animals? Okay, can you name 10, let's go for 13, can you name 10 objects you can find at home? And when you've used these numbers, you can click and drag them to this bin over here. They won't disappear, but you can stack them on top of each other so they're out of the way. So let's drag 13 there as well. Okay, again, ask your students for the next number. Let's maybe choose 16 now. Can you name 10 verbs this time? Okay, so this is the most basic level, level 1. But if we click the home button here, we have level 2 and level 3, which become increasingly difficult. There's some overlap between the levels as well. But let's just try level 2 here. So can you name 10 phrasal verbs, for example? So there's a mix of language-based and topic-based vocabulary here. Finally, level 3 is perhaps the most difficult, maybe more suited for more advanced learners. Let's say, can you name 10 words which end with T-I-O-N? Okay, as one example. Can you name 10 nice things to say to another person? Okay, perhaps a nice way to finish the lesson if your students choose number 6. So that's it really. It's on Genially. Hopefully you could use it either online if you are still teaching online, and perhaps get students to type their responses in a chat box or something like that. Or of course, if you're in the classroom, you could display it on a large screen or interactive whiteboard. And if you don't have access to such technology, hopefully the language here is something which you could replicate and use, perhaps drawing a similar version using pen, paper, chalk, something like that. Have fun with it. In my next video, I'll be sharing a task-based learning activity which I'm calling Decisions, a New City. So as usual, feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel or check out all these ideas and resources in one place on my website, stretchyourenglish.com. You or your learners can also check me out on Instagram at stretchyourenglish or message me directly, stretchyourenglish@gmail.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.